Powerful websites that feels illegal to know. Part 1. If you love discovering music and voices from around the globe, you're going to love today's tutorial. I'm going to show you exactly how to explore and listen to radio stations from all over the world using one amazing website, Radio Garden. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and go to Radio Garden website. You'll see a spinning globe covered in green dots. Each dot is a live radio station. Use your mouse or trackpad to rotate and zoom in on different parts of the globe. When you hover over a green dot, the station will automatically start playing. You can also search your favorite radio station by clicking to the search icon. For example, let's search and listen to a radio station in China.
2经文火味味，3经彻火焖武，让这个牛腱子更进味儿。4经添柴火转中火。
This in Tebi.
Yes, the angels that you asked them to send you are here now, set you free. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Now let's listen to USA.
Detail. And you mean that? You're not just saying that because you know Brian's going to be listening to the show. And does Brian know this? Does he know the answer to this question?
Oh, absolutely.
Oh,
absolutely,
funny.
he does. And I know it is, for him too, losing the hope. Now
Oh,
as a
sure.
golf coach.
Finally, my home country, Kenya. And to my favorite radio station, NRG Radio. Wow, super easy.
Listen! In this economy, every shilling we can save counts.
Thou shall be free.
Freedom is here, and it comes in the form of Payless. Download Payless today from Google Play Store or App Store and enjoy the freedom that comes with Payless.
Click the heart icon to bookmark the station for later. And that's it. You now have a full procedure to explore the world through radio. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and drop a comment sharing your favorite station so far. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.